Yechi Adonenu Morenu V'Rabbeinu Melech HaMashiach Lamved L'chaim L'chaim. Everybody, we have the best news ever. In this house and in this year, we're going to have redemption. The Rebbe says in two siches that we redeemed in the time 770. He says in one siches that it's Kafchet Sivan in 91. He says that then we are redeemed in 770. He doesn't say year, but of course we understand it's a year.
Do a mitzvah! Mashiach's coming!
Right. Say it. And the other sikha is from 18 years ago, which is Kontras Bet Rabbeinu Shebebovel, the house of our rabbi, which is in Babylon, which means in the United States when you look in the inside. So, of course, he talks about 770, about his house, about his synagogue. So, he says, in the other sikha, he says that 770, then we're redeemed. We want Mashiach now, we want Mashiach now, we want Mashiach now, we don't want to wait. We want Mashiach now, we want Mashiach now, we want Mashiach now, we don't want to wait. Am Israel, have no fear, Mashiach is already here. Am Israel, have no fear, Mashiach is already here. We want Mashiach now, we want Mashiach now, we want Mashiach now, we don't want to wait. Of course, it's much more than a hint when he says that 770 is like the completion of the number 7, which is 770, and he says that then we are redeemed from Galus and coming back to the land of Israel, that the redemption starts in this house because the temple, the holy temple that we are waiting for, is going to reveal first here in 770, coming up from the sky and then flying to the land of Israel with clouds. And the Rebbe explains that not only that this house will fly to Israel to get like after revelation of Beis HaMikdash, there in 770, also the Rebbe says that all the synagogues will fly also to Israel and be glued to Beit HaMikdash in Jerusalem, and Jerusalem is going to be huge, very, very big because of this fact. When you understand in the Sikha what the Rebbe says about all the synagogues coming to Israel, we understand that it's not only the synagogues that exist today, but also synagogues from the history that Kadosh Baruch Hu is going to erect them from like before, and everything is going to fly and be glued physically to Beit HaMikdash. So this is the best news ever, and what we should do about it is, first of all, of course, tell everybody about that, tell people to look in this location, in this internet location, and tell about it on phones and whatever, all kinds of communication, and be strengthen ourselves and our friends in all the things of Torah and mitzvah, study Hasidus and give tzedakah and tefillin and whatever, lighting candles, Shabbos candles, and all the good things that the Jew does. And also we should tell all the people who are not Jewish about the fact that the redemption is coming, so they should start keeping the 7 commandments of the sons of Noah, and we should be happy and be strong about it, and we should know that whatever the Rebbe says, and there are thousands and thousands of prophecies of the Rebbe, whatever the Rebbe says comes true. Everything about the Gulf War and about the hurricanes in Florida and about many, all the wars in Israel, everything, always it was like in the newspaper, the Rebbe said from before what will happen, and there was a like question mark, how did he know? In all the big newspapers of Israel and so forth. So l'chaim, we are redeemed, we should tell everybody about it, be happy, and we redeemed this year. So l'chaim, all the best to everybody. L'chaim, Yechi Adonenu Morenu V'Rabbeinu Melech HaMashiach Lamved.
Yechi Adonenu Morenu V'Rabbeinu Melech HaMashiach Le'olam V'ed. Yechi Adonenu Morenu V'Rabbeinu Melech HaMashiach Le'olam V'ed. Mashiach is coming, Baruch Hashem.